Rayburn Electric is a generation and transmission electric cooperative located in North Texas. We serve our 4 distribution member co-ops in 16 counties and serve about 500,000 people in the North Texas area. Prior to adopting NSAR, we were using Excel and manual reconciliations for all of our balance sheet accounts. Many of those accounts that were high volume transactions, we would do a data extract and pop that in and then have to manually go through and match and clear accounts to get down to what were the reconciling items that were left in the accounts. Last year, while attending Suite World, when they were talking about new features in NetSuite, they actually showed a snip of the NetSuite Account Reconciliation module. Rayburn really liked the fact that it was a NetSuite product that was being offered. We are already using several of the NetSuite modules, including NSPB, and from that point forward, I started researching wanting to bring that in. We had been talking about automation in other areas of our business, and I saw that as something that would be value added and would be relatively easy to implement. The NetSuite data downloads directly into NSAR, and reconciliations are created as a batch. At this point, all reconciliations are created. We don't have to go manually create files. It means that every reconciliation is prepared the exact same way, no matter who is making that reconciliation. In addition to that, we have accounts that we have set up to auto-reconcile. If there's 0 activity or if there's a 0 balance or no transactions, then it will auto-reconcile. And so those accounts we don't even have to look at to be able to create a manual reconciliation. It just automatically takes care of it. We're very early in the implementation, but I would guess that we will pretty immediately save at least 50% of the time we've been spending on manual reconciliations with the NetSuite Account Reconciliation module. Our CEO has a motto that is status quo is not company policy. And so by choosing to look for innovative ways to automate things, we're stepping out of that status quo. NetSuite will continue to help us to automate and to be able to analyze the information that we need in order to be successful in the future.